Wherever you are, you can access your teaching room by clicking on this icon. This is your teaching room. You can create and manage your courses from here. To create a course, click on the Create Course button. Upload a cover image for your course. Give a name. Select a category. Choose a type. Courses of type Live will have scheduled classes and will be conducted via inbuilt video conferencing tool. Whereas in self-paced type of courses you will upload all the course videos and other materials, and students will go through them at their own time. Let's create a live course for now. Then select the level, plan, and finally the price. Other fields are not mandatory. However, to make your course easily searchable, you can tag your course with related keywords. Click Next to go to the next page. Write a description about your course, and click Next. This is the course structure page. Here you can add chapters and topics in each chapter. One default chapter and one default topic will be automatically added. You can edit them and add new ones. To add new topic, click on the Add New Topic button. To add new chapter, click on the New section. You can do all these from inside the course also. So you may skip this for now. Click Save to finish. Newly created courses are found in the Upcoming tab. Click on the course tile to enter the course. This is the course you have just created. You must publish the course to make it visible to others. Enter the date and time details. Then click on the Done button. You have not yet started the course, so your course is still in the Upcoming section. Click on the Start button. When you start a course, depending on its type, it will be moved to Ongoing or Self-Paced section. Self-paced courses are moved to Self-Paced section, and live courses are moved to Ongoing section. When you hover over a course tile, you will see 3 dots. Click on it to open the options. With Edit option, you can edit your course details. With Make Self-Paced option, you can convert your live course to self-paced course. This is helpful when you complete the course and want to convert it to a full packaged self-paced course. You can delete your course with the Delete option. And with the Cancel Course option, you can change it back to Upcoming course. If you are a part of an institution that is also using Tutody, the institution can invite you. If you accept their invitation, they can assign you to teach one or more of their courses. These are your private courses. You can access your institution courses from here. This is all about your teaching room and about how to create courses. In the next video, we will show how you can manage and conduct your courses.